To transfer funds between accounts in QuickBooks Online, hover over the Create button in the navigation bar, and then click the Transfer link under the Other heading in the drop-down menu to open the Transfer window. This window lets you record a bank transfer within QuickBooks Online Plus that you already made with your bank. It doesn't create an actual funds transfer between accounts at your bank. To select the account from which to transfer the funds, use the Transfer Funds From drop-down. To select the account into which to transfer the funds, use the Transfer Funds To drop-down. The balance of each account appears to the right of its drop-down. Then enter the amount of funds to transfer between the selected accounts into the Transfer Amount field. Then enter the date of the funds transfer into the Date field. To enter a note about the funds transfer, type it into the Memo field. To attach files to the funds transfer, use the Attachments field. The toolbar at the bottom of the screen contains buttons used to manage the funds transfer. To cancel the funds transfer, click the Cancel button. To clear the information from the transfer window, click the Clear button. To create a recurring funds transfer, click the Make Recurring button. To save the funds transfer and then close the window or open another new window, click or select a choice from the Save in New or Save and Close drop-down button at the right end of this toolbar. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.